Hi, today we are going to see about CloudML. So CloudML is their main motto is like learn data science by doing it, not only by understanding the data science. We have to know both theoretically as well as practical. So for getting the practical hands-on experience, they are having lots of courses. So they are also mentioned in their website what they do. So what we do at CloudML. So they are sharing the hands-on guided assignments, real-world project with one-to-one live personal doubt clearance, classifications, support on Skype, support every day. So I will tell you the exciting courses what they offer. One is from their data science Meho combo, and that is at 7K. And next one is data science combo course, that is at 4K. And next one, like similarly, data analytics combo course, which they are offering at 4K. So they are covering. For example, if I take this combo course, analytics combo course, for example, I'm taking this. So they are also uh, covering lots of categories in that. If you see the course features, as well as if you see the topics which they have covered, they are covering Python for analytics, SQL for analytics, math and statistics for analytics, Tableau course, Power BI, MS Excel, so and so. So they are covering all the courses, which is of which they are offering in like some offers are also going on. So they have one-to-one live doubt clearance support on Skype chat too. That is really attractive. So apart from this, there are additional job resources also they are doing. If you see in the video, and they are offering 1 month internship opportunity too. So these are all the for 4K. These are all the complete course pricing they are offering. So for this amount, for this much of topics, I think it's really worth. You will get hands-on experience also, and there are lots of review in that review they have done, and yeah, it's quite impressive. That's why I have like published a video. So they have different types of courses, like all like starting from this, data science courses. There are different types of courses like data visualization, everything they have at one space. So I think for the price and for their, their offerings, it's really great to learn both theoretical as well as practically. So I will give you the description link in my description below. Hope you can use of it. And whatever or whatever you want to search about the particular website, also you can go and visit, and you can surf later the particular website and courses too. Thanks.